Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something straightforward but incredibly useful: how to change a theme on Google Slides in 2025. Whether you're sprucing up a school project, a work presentation, or just experimenting with designs, mastering themes can make your slides look professional in no time. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account and open Google Slides. If you don't have a presentation yet, go ahead and create a new one by clicking the plus blank button or selecting an existing file from your drive. Once you're in, you'll see your slide on the main screen. Now, let's get to the fun part. To change the theme, head over to the toolbar at the top. Click on the Theme option, which is usually represented by a paint palette icon or found under the Slide menu. This will open up the theme gallery, showcasing a variety of pre-designed templates. Google Slides in 2025 has even more options, including fresh, modern designs with better color schemes and layouts to choose from. Browse through the themes by scrolling or using the search bar if you're looking for something specific, like professional or creative. Once you find one that catches your eye, simply click on it. Your entire presentation will update automatically. But wait, you can take it a step further. After applying a theme, click on Customize to tweak colors, fonts, or backgrounds to make it truly your own. It's that easy, no advanced skills required. One quick tip: if your themes aren't loading properly, double-check your internet connection or refresh the page, as Google Slides relies on online updates. Also, remember that changing themes affects all slides, so it's a great way to maintain consistency. There you have it. Changing a theme on Google Slides is a breeze and can elevate your presentations instantly. Try it out on your next project and see the difference. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite theme. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.